to the magical Friendship Fair.
Hi, everybody.
We're so glad you're here.
What a great day!
This is wonderful.
Looks like everybody's ready.
Oh, Mickey, I just love the Friendship Fair. A day of joy and music and having fun together.
That's right. We traveled far and wide, inviting new friends to today's celebration.
It was a long journey.
We crossed rivers.
And ran fast.
To bring all sorts of friends together in celebration of what makes this kingdom really unique.
All right. Come on, everyone. It's time to officially kick off the magical Friendship Fair. Let's go. I can't wait. Today is going to be such a wonderful, wonderful day. Oh,
Oh boy, I hear our first guest coming now.
oh, my goodness.
It's a Southland, there's a city way down on the river, where the women are very free, and all the men do it. Ain't my music so sexy, but in the daytime, go on with it. When you hear that music playing, you and I'm saying makes me alright.
Allow me to introduce my new pals from the land of the bewitching light. Louis, Naveen, and Tiana.
It's great to meet ya.
Oh, the land of the bewitching bayous. What's that like?
It's a land of dreams, good cooking,
and jazz.
Oh, Louis loves playing jazz with the big boys.
Sounds like a swinging good time to me.
Hit it, Louis.
Now why are you standing way over there? Come and join the Jubilee.
Gosh, well, I ain't got much to add to the party. Well, I'm not good at tap dancing or playing the ukulele.
But everyone's got something to add. A party's like a big pot of gumbo. It takes all the different flavors coming together to make it good.
Really?
She's right, my tall friend. You've got to let loose and cut her up.
Gosh,
You never know what you can do till you try.
You know what Mama Odie would say if she were here. You gotta dig a little deeper to find out who you are. Don't matter what you look like. Don't matter what you wear. How many rings you got on be telling you. You gotta dig a little deeper to find out who you are. You gotta dig a little deeper. It's really not that far. When you find out who you are, you find out what you need. Blue skies and sunshine guaranteed.
My friend, it's time to take your place in the sun.
You gotta dig a little deeper. Don't have far to go. You gotta dig a little deeper. Just remember that we told you so. Be surprised at what you find.
Maybe love.
It's our time. Dig a little deeper and you'll know. You'll dig down deep inside yourself, and when you do, your dreams come true. Dreams come true. Dreams come true. Your dreams come true.
Well, that was just the bee's knees.
You were really swinging.
Gosh, there's more where that came from. Come on, everybody.
Hot dog. They sure are a fun group.
Like Tiana said, they're the bee's knees.
Aw, say, who do you think Donald and Daisy brought?
Oh, I bet they're just delightful. Oh, my!
Attention, everybody! Allow me to introduce our distinguished guests from the land of the enchanted woodlands.
Distinguished guest.
From the land of the enchanted woodlands?
And from us Disneyland Worlds.
It's a pleasure to meet you, gentlemen.
How you doing? It's a pleasure. It's all mine.
How nice.
Out of my way! My turn! Stop! Everybody, we do what we want, when we want. Just like at the Snuggly Duckling.
Who you calling a snuggly duckling?
Ow! What?
Oh, no!
Donald!
Minnie, hold on!
Let go of him!
Got you now.
Friend!
I told you, you can't take them anywhere.
Donald Duck, what have you done? After we met Rapunzel and Flynn, we agreed to invite them, not these ruffians.
Ruffians!
One minute we were together, and the next I turned around and you were gone. What happened?
Hey, Daisy, I'm sorry.
You ruined everything.
I know these boys. They seem a bit rough around the edges, but they're not so bad.
Blondie's right. They grow on you after a while. Kind of like a fungus.
They all have dreams, just like you and me.
They do?
Oh, yes, they do.
He's malicious, mean, and scary. His sneer can curdle dairy. And violence-wise, his hands are not the cleanest.
But despite his evil look and his temper and his hook, he's always yearned to be a concert pianist.
Can't you see me on the stage performing Mozart? Deadly eyes till they gleam. Yep, I'd rather be called deadly for my killer show too deadly. Thank you, cause way down deep inside I've got a dream. He's got a dream, he's got a dream. See, I ain't as cruel and vicious as I seem. Though I do like breaking fevers, you can count me with the dreamers. Like everybody else, I've got a dream.
Who would like to quit and be a florist?
Gunter does interior design. Always into mine.
Until his cupcakes are so fine.
Who's next?
Killer souls,
Paint his little puppet show.
I'm glad America lets the rabbit unity glow. What's your dream, my little little snuggly friend?
My dream, I always wanted to be one of the feathers.
What about you?
I've always wanted to try new things and make new friends.
Those are beautiful dreams.
I got a dream.
I got a dream.
I got a dream.
Our differences are really that extreme.
Call us brutal, sadistic, and grotesquely optimistic. Cause way down deep inside we got a dream. I got a dream. I got a dream. A dream. Yes, way down deep inside I got a
You're right. They're not as bad as they seem.
So, did I do a good job?
You did a very good job.
Way to go, buddy. Now you're one of the fellas.
Hooray!
Come on.
What a nice group of ruffians.
And what a great bunch of dreams!
Oh, goodness, Mickey. Look at the time. We should begin the grand celebration.
Hang on a minute, Minnie. I've got a special surprise for you.
You do?
You see, I know there's someone you always wanted to meet from the land of the Mystic Mountains.
Oh, Mickey, could it be?
But
Look at all the people. And I can't wait to see what my buddies all think of me. Hello. Oh, I like warm hugs.
hi, Olaf.
Olaf? Olaf, there you are.
Why? Were you lost?
No, Olaf, you were.
But I'm right here with my new friends. This is... And you are...
Why, I'm Mickey Mouse.
And this is... And you are...
I'm Minnie.
Good. This is Anna and Elsa. They're sisters.
Oh, my. It's an honor to meet you.
Please, the honor is all ours. We're so excited to be here.
From the moment I heard your story, I admired you both so much. Oh, I wish I could be more like you.
But being just who you are is perfect. Everyone has their own unique talents that make them special. You just have to believe that you do.
That's true.
Anything is possible when you have someone you love by your side.
That's me.
I want to be there too.
I've learned that you just have to remember to be true to yourself.
I think today might be the best day ever.
Oh gosh, Minnie. Every day with you is the best day ever.
Oh, Mickey.
Aww. Oh, it sounds like our friends are coming back for the celebration.
I'm so excited.
Friends from near and far, it is now time for the magical Friendship Fair Grand Celebration. Now join us in welcoming back our new friends from the land of the bewitching bayous, Tiana, Naveen, and Lewis. The enchanted woodlands, Rapunzel, Flynn Rider, Vladimir, and Hookhead. From the land land of the Mystic Mountains, Elsa, Anna, and Olaf.
Oh, gosh, it's great to have so many friends here.
Now we can all dance together.
When you smile and you see everything is into and it's free and life goes along with a smile and a song. With our friends and you and family too. Life goes along with a smile and a song.
That was so much fun.
Thank you for the dance.
Oh, Mickey, this really has been the best day ever.
Discovering new dreams.
That's an adventure for sure.
Trying something new.
And having a swinging good time. You bet.
Finding the confidence to be true to yourself.
That's right.
Here's to all of us, old friends and new.
Warm hugs for everyone.
Oh, this is what I love about the friendship fair.
Wherever you are and wherever you're from, we're so glad you're here. The best is yet to come. Today we make history with our friends, family. We've just begun. Once in a lifetime, a chance to explore. The future is waiting, like and more. Door open a wish, and off we go to the place we all belong. Where the one who lives in you and me, we just need to believe. Like a shooting star within your heart, every dream breaking free. It's a memory that you hold inside. It's a friendship yet to unfold. We will celebrate where the magic feels like home. Let's go where the magic feels like home. Let's go where the magic feels like home. Let's go where the magic feels like home. The magic feels like
Thanks to all of you, old friends and new, for celebrating with us today. See y'all real soon.
We invite you to enjoy the rest of your magical Friendship Fair day here at the Magic Kingdom.